when trying to choose a futures platform to trade on. We've combined some of the unique benefits on the Binance trading futures. We hope that you should get an overview of how unique the Binance futures is, and at the end, you can start trading on the Binance futures once you understand the basic and understand the concept and how unique it is. For beginners, crypto futures or the Binance futures refers to financial securities that allow you to use leverage to enhance your returns. So they can, however, be used to speculate on the future direction of a digital asset or to hedge the future price risk inherent in cryptocurrencies. Futures current contracts in general are well-established financial instruments traded on an exchange. To trade them, you will need a verified account and a referral code, mainly used for referral basis and confirmation that you understand the risks involved. Binance Futures offers a huge selection of cryptocurrencies, with new coins being listed constantly to provide traders with best trading experiences as well as other benefits. So the beginner's guide to cryptocurrency trade on live on the Binance Academy. Some key areas we will be looking at are the selection of trading pairs, the Binance Futures liquidity, the fees being charged on the Binance Futures, and the volume, as well as the monthly legal support. And also we'll be looking at other miscellaneous benefits about the Binance and Futures. On selection of trading pairs, we do have that the Binance Futures has an enormous selection of trading pairs, which makes it one of the most liquid derivatives exchanges in the market. So traders can always expect their buy and sell orders to get filled promptly without having to worry about slippages. The issues of slippages are very discomforting for traders. So Binance has eliminated this feature. To select the trade pair, all you need to go is go over to the trade tab on the top left corner on the Binance platform. Select the classic option you want. All the available trading pairs will be reflected on the right side of the screen, in which you can now choose or pick a trading pair, as there are lots of trading pairs to choose from, over 530 pairs. So you can choose the type of trade you want to make, and like the limit orders, stop limit orders, as well as the market orders. So all these can be found on the Binance Futures trading platform. Next on the list, we do have the Binance Futures liquidity. The term liquidity is used to define the ability to sell or buy an asset without causing big impact in the market price. It is also related to the idea of how easy it is to convert an asset to fiat currency. The properties or assets that are difficult to convert to cash are not liquid, while the ones that can be exchanged right are always a way are deemed as a liquid asset. So you want to know that on the Binance platform, there is high liquidity. The liquidity is important for all tradable assets, including cryptocurrencies. Low liquidity levels mean that the market volatility is present, causing spikes in cryptocurrencies prices. High liquidity, on the other hand, means there is a stable market with few fluctuations in price. The Binance Futures, for instance, has a liquid Bitcoin market because there are always traders willing to buy or sell BTC, and the bid-ask spread is usually very small. Now, if you're asking if liquidity is good in crypto, you want to know that liquidity is very essential for any tradable asset, and that includes the cryptocurrency Bitcoin. The liquid markets are deeper and smoother, so while an illiquid market can put traders in positions that are difficult to exit the market. On basic tips on how to calculate the liquidation price Binance on Binance Futures. So when your margin ratio reaches 100%, some if not all of your positions will be liquidated. The margin ratio is calculated as the maintenance margin divided by the margin balance. Therefore, if your margin balance drops below the maintenance margin rate, the exchange will liquidate your positions. But before that, Binance will always notify you of your current status in order for you to hedge, or you can also use the stop limit or other features being placed on the Binance Futures page. The Binance Futures fees. Binance Futures has an exceptional low fee structure. Maker fee or taker fees can go as low as 0.000% to 0.017%, as for the maker fees and for the taker fees respectively, so allowing traders to keep their hard-earned profits. So these fees can be slashed even further by simply holding BUSD or BNB. All spot market VIPs are also VIPs in the futures market. So these are some of the benefits you will receive during when you utilize the Binance futures in cases where you need to pay fees. Future fees tiers mirror the spot market but are generally lower. So you need to know that the volume requirement for each VIP tier is 5 times that of the spot market due to the leverage provided. Can also refer to the daily BNB balance calculation mechanism in order to get a complete or accurate calculation on the fees for the BNB mechanism. A 10% discount on standard trading fees. When they use BNB to pay for trading fees, you get a 10% discount. So users will need to transfer BNB from their exchange wallet to their futures wallet to receive the 10% discount. So please ensure that the BNB, which is the Binance own token, balance in your futures wallet is sufficient to pay for trading fees. Otherwise, the system will automatically deduct USDT as futures trading fees. You will not be entitled to the discount. So you want to take note of this basic concept. Make sure your account is funded with BNB in order for you to get a 10% reduction in fees. Also, the BNB transfer to the futures USD margin wallet can be used for fees, discounts, and collateral. So when multi-asset mode is enabled, for more details, please refer to the Binance Futures Trading Discount Program. We will be leaving the link in the description of this video for you to get an overview. So for takers fees, takers refers to when you place an order that trades immediately by filling partially or fully before going on the order book. Those trades will be taker trades. For you to understand what maker trades is, you need to know that maker trade refers to when you place an order on the Binance futures that goes on the order book partially or fully, such as a limit order. Any subsequent trades coming from that order will also be a maker fees or a maker trade. So these are some of the basic features. And next on the list, we have the Binance futures volume. When we talk about the Binance volume, we refer to the number of units traded in a market during a given time. So it is the measurement of the number of individual units of an asset that change hands during that period. So each transaction involves a buyer and a seller. So the vast number of Binance users has helped push trading volumes in the platform into trillions of dollars. As a matter of fact, Binance has been responsible or is responsible for about $7.7 trillion in crypto exchange volume in 2021 and had a 24-hour peak of about $76 billion. A greater volume of cryptocurrency transaction leads to fair cryptocurrency prices and remove the chance of distorted pricing. Low cryptocurrency exchange volume signals inefficient or low trades as the asking prices of sellers fail to meet the bids of potential buyers. Cryptocurrency volume is similar to the concept of liquidity, but they are both not the same. The volume is the sum total of actual trades taking place. Meanwhile, liquidity is the amount available for trading at any single price. So you want to take note of these simple differences between the liquidity as well as the volume in the Binance Futures page. You need to note that Binance Futures is $1 trillion in YTD trading volume. You need to note that typically a rising market should see increasing volume, indicating continuous buyer interest to keep pushing prices higher. So increasing volume in a downtrend may indicate increasing sell pressure. So when we talk about if this volume good is good in crypto, you need to know that volume is an extremely important indicator for traders to determine the future probability of cryptocurrencies. So usually the higher the volume of a cryptocurrency transaction, the more liquid the crypto market will be. The low cryptocurrency volume transactions or exchanges, however, do create great arbitrage opportunities for investors who know how to utilize these opportunities. So these are some of the perks you want to understand on the Binance platform. You can easily use the arbitrage method from a cryptocurrency exchange who has a low volume and arbitrage into the Binance market in order to profit. The Binance Futures offers multilingual support. Binance offers support in about 17 different languages with an incredibly intuitive and easy to use user interface to ensure that any trader from any part in the world can participate in crypto revolution. Binance continues to add more languages to their offerings as needed. If your language is not available, you can always use the contact us option and make a request. You need to note, however, that the more the request, the faster it gets done on the Binance platform. So the Binance always encourages that before a language is being supported on the platform, there needs to be users who are interested in such languages, and hopefully the users that are interested in such languages need to be of a particular certain number. So you shouldn't just be 10 people, you shouldn't just be a minimum of 100, you shouldn't just be 200 people who want a particular language, because we do on the Binance or in the world in general, when it talks about languages, there are loads of people, or there are lots of people. It could range to thousands of people uh, making requests or using the contact us option, and this will help Binance inculcate these languages. One thing you need to know is for tips is that the Binance represents all clients worldwide, and respect that many clients may feel more comfortable speaking in their native language. So Binance has found a way to diversify and build branches, as well as create users or staffs, employ users who can assist in facilitating this whole process. So the ability to communicate in many languages makes problem solving easy, and it means that your needs will be met quickly and efficiently. So you need to know that the Binance is user friendly, and the Binance also has a customer support, which you can reach out on the Binance Twitter page or directly on the Binance app. Next on the list, we're going to be looking at some basic miscellaneous ideas. So you want to meet John. John recently opened a futures account on Binance, and he currently has some inquiries to make, and finds the cost Binance customer support very beneficial, as they offer multilingual support, which makes it easier for him to express himself and relate his challenges easily. He's very happy getting useful tips needed to navigate the Binance futures easily. You need to know that the Binance support will never request for sensitive details from you, such as account password, text or call you, or email logins, etc. So the Binance customer support will not call you, as they do not have such services. So kindly be safety conscious and be aware of phishing scams in order not to lose your money while trading on the Binance futures platform. Next, illustration for a miscellaneous benefits or uniqueness on why you can trade on the Binance, or why you should use the Binance futures. You need to understand that the Binance Futures offers a wide huge range of selection of cryptos. So there are over 530 crypto to crypto trading pairs, enabling users to trade anything from DeFi, decentralized finance tokens, to meme coins such as Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. New coins are constantly being listed to provide traders with the best trading experience, as well as metaverse tokens and more. Also, you want to know that Binance Futures also provides a generously wide range of leverage for accounts with a balance of $0 to $50,000, so that every trader can grow their portfolio no matter their account balance. So this is possible because of the unique leverage opportunities that Binance has. So Binance has one of the most liquid, unique leverage opportunities in the crypto industry. So you want to take note of this fact. Next on the list, the Binance Futures also allows for long and short flexibility. So when we talk about the long and short flexibility, is the fact that it is fascinating and it is the ability to make profit regardless of the market's direction. So the long and short are usually you can refer to it as a bullish or a bearish market. So with Binance futures, traders can sell high and buy low, or buy low and sell high. So to benefit from any price fluctuation while implementing different strategies like grid trading and swap. Grid trading, however, is a trading boot that automates the buying and selling of futures contracts. It is, however, designed to place orders in the market at preset intervals within a configured price range. These are at your fingertips if you wish to use them. For TWAP refers to a time-weighted average price, which is an algorithmic trade execution strategy that aims to achieve an average execution price close to the time-weighted average price of the user's specified transactions. Next on the list, we'll be talking about the fact that the Binance is the world's largest crypto exchange. So Binance has more than 28.6 million active users. So Binance has built a strong reputation over the years with branches and tentacles in all parts of the world. To the point that many people worldwide would argue that if a crypto is listed in Binance, it is legitimate project. This is because of the rigorous processes the Binance team puts into place in order for them to ascertain if a project is viable or not. The Binance is the world's largest crypto exchange with various branches and a very professional world-class team building towards a greater future for all users. So if a project is being found that it is not worth uh, staying on the Binance platform, Binance will kindly notify its users and will delete that token. But Binance will, however, give users the opportunity and the time notice so they can part away with such cryptocurrency in order not to fall into victims of loss. Next on the list, we will be looking at the fact that on the top cryptocurrency exchange derivatives exchanges in the world, these are pictorial representations gotten from coinmarketcap. You can see Binance is currently ranking at number one. So this is the world's top cryptocurrency derivatives. Ranks the top cryptocurrency derivative exchanges based on trading volumes. So you see Binance has the largest trading volumes, maker fees very cheap, taker fees, open interest, number of markets much, and it was launched in July 2017. You can see Binance is currently leading among other crypto exchanges. So you need to know that it's no surprise that John, who we used as our illustration in the beginning, uses Binance Futures regularly without fears. And this is because Binance has built one of the most secure trading platforms in the world, where users can enjoy different features such as KYC, Know Your Customer, 2FA, which is called the two-factor authentication, and also the anti-phishing code. The anti-phishing code enables you to impute a particular number into your emails so that whenever an email comes from Binance, you can always identify that this email is for Binance. The anti-phishing code will be about 4 digits or 5 digits which you select, or 6 digits which you've selected, and these digits will be known to you. So whichever mail is being sent to you, those digits will be attached to it. So you can always change these digits if you feel they've been compromised. This is a way to mitigate in case issues of scam and to protect our users against nefarious actors. This is also referred to as the enterprise grade security program being available on the Binance Futures platform. Binance Futures comes with insurance funds features. The insurance funds made available are a safety net that protect bankrupt traders from adverse losses and ensure that the profits of winning traders are paid out in full. Primary purpose of an insurance fund is to limit the occurrences of counterparty liquidations. In counterparty liquidation, positions of opposing traders are automatically liquidated to cover for a bankrupt trader's position. In these situations, opposing profitable positions with high leverage are likely to receive counterparty liquidations. Insurance funds solve this issue by using collateral from fees of non-bankrupt users to cover losses of bankrupt users and negative balance accounts. You need to know that users can also be rest assured that their funds are safe in Binance. Its insurance funds owes nearly $300 million to protect bankrupt traders from adverse losses while ensuring that profits of winning traders are paid out in full. So whichever amount of profit or leverage you use that yields the highest amount of profit, you need to know that the Binance Futures will be ready to pay out such amount of money. And Binance also put in measures to mitigate against losses on the Binance Futures portal. On the Binance Futures, you can easily navigate to the insurance fund history and check up all our necessary write-ups on the platform. The Binance Futures has the coin margin futures, also the USDT margin futures, Binance leverage tokens, Binance options, leaderboard, and battle. These are some unique features being contained on the Binance Futures. Some basic features also refers to the USDT margin. USDT margin refers to our Binance Futures transactions or tradings with the use of stablecoins. For coin margin transactions or trades, this refers to coins or trading that refers to that is being used or done with any other cryptocurrency aside from the stablecoins. So for USDT margin futures trading, you can have USDT parcels or you can have BUSD, which is the Binance USD stable coin. You have the settlement period, pros and cons, settlement period, and also the pros and cons for both delivery dates and perpetual trades. Also, coming to the final conclusion of this video, one thing you need to know is that Binance has ongoing Binance Futures airdrops. Currently, as of recording, Binance Futures is currently giving away about 250,000 BUSD rewards to its new users and existing users through a limited time referral offer. So all you need to do is to invite your family and friends and beloved ones to Binance Futures and grab a share of prize pool. So these airdrops or these giveaways of these activities help to boost or encourage users who trade on the Binance Futures. They tend to stand to win a lot of giveaway prizes and more. The mechanism A for this particular giveaway is that sign up and win a $6 BUSD futures bonus voucher, which will help me reduce the fees or reduce whichever trades you want to carry out on the Binance Futures. For mechanism B, say referral challenge, you can win up to 40 BUSD per referral for the referral and 6 BUSD for each invitees. So with this, a user can get up to $250,000. So this is the breakdown of the current ongoing airdrop, which is to end at February 28th this month 2022. So you want to know that from 1 to 3 referrals, you will be getting 8 BUSD, 4 to 7, 10 BUSD, 20 to 10, 20 BUSD, 11 to 20, 30 BUSD, and 21 and more 40 BUSD. So this is the referral mechanism being placed on the Binance Futures, which is capped at $1,000 bonus per user. So users get to benefit from this. In conclusion, the Binance Futures have lots of benefits and more being included regularly. All users can learn more on the Binance platform and start enjoying its features. So all relevant links and sign-up bonuses will be found in the description box in this below so that when you start trading, you get discount trades you get discounts on signing up on the Binance Futures account. I'll also be dropping links to other articles you want to read to gain more knowledge about the Binance Futures and more. If you do have any questions, kindly drop them in the comment section. We will try as much as possible to attend to you as fast as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in our next class. Stay blessed, stay trading. Thanks.